Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to this free WordPress Masterclass. In this video, we are going to learn about WordPress Media Library. You will see how to use Media Library in WordPress. Do watch this video till the very end as we will give you walkthrough of all the aspects of WordPress Media Library. So let's get started. Guys, Media Library help you manage your WordPress media assets at one place. You can upload media assets like images, videos, PDF documents, spreadsheets, and any other type of document in WordPress. Typically, you upload images and other kind of media files while drafting your posts and pages. Once you finish your posts and pages, you can easily manage those uploaded media files through Media Library. If you want to upload any image or media without attaching it to any page or post, you can also do it through Media Library. So guys, before moving forward, I request you to kindly click on subscribe button and hit bell icon so that you don't miss any of our videos. Guys, we put lot of effort in creating these amazing videos, and your one like and one subscribe give us lot of motivation in creating the amazing content that you see here. So let's now see how to use Media Library. Firstly, we will see how to open Media Library. Let's first log into our local site, namely Dream School website, which we created in our previous video. So let me give my login ID and password. So you see our dashboard is open now. Navigate to left hand side of the screen. Now hover over media and click on library. You see media screen appears. Here you see it displays some images I had already uploaded. Let's now see how to add media file in WordPress. To add media file like photo, video or any other document, navigate to media and click add new. The upload media screen appears. Now click on select files button. You can select multiple files here. So here I have some sample images of a classroom. So select the file, click open, and you see the selected file is uploaded in Media Library. Now this is one way of uploading the media in WordPress. Later we will see how to add and upload media files while creating posts and pages. You can also drag and drop the files to upload the media in Media Library. Now if you again go to the library view, you see our classroom image has been uploaded here. Let's now discuss about views supported by Media Library. Media Library supports two types of views. One is grid view and other one is list view. Let's now again navigate to dashboard. Go to Media Library. Now the view that one you are seeing here is a grid view. In grid view, media items are displayed in grid, displaying thumbnail of each item. These items are sorted by the date of upload of the file. Now click on the list icon to activate the list view. The media items in list view are displayed as list of items sorted by date of uploading the file. Now each row here represents a media item. For each media item, you see information like author, file name, uploaded to, comments, and date of upload. You can customize these column options by using screen options. So here you can hide and unhide the items that you do not want to see on the list screen. So for now, let's keep it as it is. Let's now switch back to the grid view, which is more appealing. Let's now move forward and see how to delete media files in WordPress. You can delete single or multiple files from Media Library. The process to delete the files depend upon the view you are using. So we will separately discuss how to delete media files in grid view first, and then we will see how to delete in list view. Let's now come back to our WordPress dashboard. Let's navigate to Media Library. Here you see the images and the media files are displayed in grid view. To delete the single file, click on the file you want to delete. Here you see the attachment details screen appears. On the bottom right hand side, you see a delete permanently link. Click on this delete permanently link. A confirmation dialog appears. Remember, once a media file is deleted, you cannot recover it and it will be deleted from all your posts and pages. So be cautious. Now click OK and you see your media file has been deleted from your WordPress. Now you can also delete multiple media files. To delete multiple media files, click on this bulk select button. Now click on each file that you want to delete. Click this delete permanently button. You can click cancel to cancel the delete operation. Click OK to delete the files. So here you see all your files are deleted now. Let's now again upload those images. Let's now switch to list view to see how to delete media files in list view. So the list view is open. To delete single file, hover over the file you want to delete. Here you see edit, delete permanently, and view link appears. Click on this delete permanently link. A confirmation dialog appears. Click OK to delete the file. Now let's see how to delete multiple files. Select the files, this top checkbox to select all files or unselect all files. Now click on the bulk actions checkbox and select delete permanently. Click apply. A confirmation dialog appears. Click OK to delete all the files. Let's move to filter options. Media Library provides you option to filter the media files based on certain criteria. These filters are available based on the view that you are using. We will discuss filter options in grid view as well as in list view. Let's now come back to Media Library screen. Here you see I have uploaded all the images and a PDF file for the demonstration purpose. Now there are two filter options available here. One is filter by media type. So you can filter the media based on its type, like whether you want to see only images, videos, documents or audio files and many other options. Now here if you see I select images, you can only see images are displayed here. Now if I select here documents, you see only PDF files are displayed here. So let's come back to all media items. Now there is another filter option, that is filter by date. Here you can refine your search by selecting the month of upload. Like if I select January 2022, my all files are displayed here. This is because I have uploaded all my files in January 2022 month only. Let's now switch to list view to see filter options in list view of Media Library. Again, there are two filter options available here. The first one is filter by media type. Here you see there are less options available. So you have filter options like images, documents, unattached and mine. If you select images and click filter, you will only see images uploaded in Media Library. Then if you select documents and click filter, you will see all the documents uploaded in Media Library. If you click unattached and click filter, here you will see all the images that are yet not used in any page or post. Now if you select mine and click filter, you will see all those media items that are uploaded by current logged in user. Since in WordPress you can have multiple users, so this feature is useful if you have multiple authors in your site. Now other available filter option is filter by date. Here you can select the month upload to see which media items are uploaded in selected month. So this is all about the filter options in Media Library. Let's now switch back to grid view to further explore the Media Library. When you click on any media file in grid view, an attachment detail screen appears. This screen gives you a quick view of selected media file and gives you options to quickly edit common attributes of media file. So if you select an image file, you see its attributes like uploaded on, who uploaded the image, the file name of the image, file type, file size, dimensions. You can edit alternative text, title of the image, caption of the image, description of the image. On this screen you see 5 links. Now the first link is edit image. Now this screen allows you to crop the image, rotate the image, flip the image. Here you can specify the dimensions that you want give to your image. So basically this screen help you modify the dimensions of your image. On bottom right, you see a view attachment page link. If you click on it, it will display how the image appears in your current WordPress theme. Third link that you see here is edit more details. If you click on it, the link will navigate you to edit media page. Here you can edit information about your media like title or text, caption, description. Here also you see edit image option, then delete permanently option to delete the image and update the details of the image. The fourth link that you see here is delete permanently. If you click on it, a confirmation dialog appears. If you click OK, your media file will be deleted permanently. For now, we will cancel it. And the fifth link is copy URL to clipboard. If you click on it, the URL of your image or your media file is copied and you can paste it anywhere. So let's see. If I control V here, you see the link to the image has been copied and I can see the image. And lastly, a question will come to your mind, that where does WordPress store these media files on server? To answer this question, let's go to our site root folder. So here I am in my dream school site root folder. By default, WordPress store all the media files in wp-content folder, and inside this folder you see the uploads folder. So here the files are organized folders by the month of upload. So since this is January 2022, so All my files are uploaded in wp-content/uploads/2022, that is the year of upload, /01, that is the month of upload. So month is represented by numerals here. So guys, that's all about WordPress Media Library. I hope you like this video and we'll soon see you in another video. Bye bye.